Hello guys, welcome to Athi Tech, and in this video I'll show you guys how you can fix this problem, which is I have a 9 GB free space on my pen drive and the file size is only 5 GB and I still couldn't able to paste this on the pen drive. The problem is that it's a common problem. If your pen drive has the file system of FAT32, sadly you can paste larger single files because it has a limitation for that. It's designed for smaller files and it won't allow you to paste larger files. So what you need to do is you have to change your file system to NTFS. If you have some files already on your pen drive and you don't want to format your pen drive, you can use your free software, which is Ease's partition software, which is completely free. You can use it for your personal use. So I will leave the download link in the description below so you guys can download it from there. Once you download this, all you have to do is select your pen drive and change your file system to NTFS, and once the process is done, you can able to copy and paste a larger size of files. But if you don't want to use any software for this and you just want to make it work, then all you have to do is copy and take backup of all your files from the pen drive to a different drive, and then you have to format your pen drive with the default tools of the Windows or Linux. And once you change your pen drive's file system to NTFS, you can able to copy and paste any files. I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.